मिरामार दर्यावेळेर जो कारभार चलतालो तो बेकायदेशीर आशिल्लो. तातूंत शिस्त येवपाक आनी कायदेशीरपणान कारभार चलपाक जेलान कावंटर घाला. कांय जाण बोटधणी हाचो निशेध करतात. मात सगळें सुरळीत जावपाक हो कावंटर म्हत्वाचो म्हण मंत्री खवटे उलयला. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
मिरामार तुम्ही काउंटर कितें घातला म्हणून तुका बोवाळ पडलेलो आसा. टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंट व्हॉट इज एक्झॅक्टली दॅट?
Miramar operations were happening in a zone which was denoted, they were not notified. So activities under tourism were illegal. So when I've taken the department also, when there were complaints coming that guides and touts are playing a big role and spoiling this, tourists were complaining. We went to see and we found that there were boats that were operational and they were not in any notified zone, neither with our permissions. So we told them, आमच्याच गोंयकार भाव आशिल्ले, and we told them we will notify the zone and ensure that as per High Court compliance जे आसा we need to put the queue system. We will put the queue system and ensure a business runs smoothly. तेच करपाक आमी घेतला. तातूंत कोणे वयर सकयल कोण असतात. I think they always try to disrupt some things which are legal and proper in the system. Miramar has to come in a system if they have to operate well. ना जाल्यार कायद्यानुसार we will have to act against all this.
पण इतले वर्सां तांकां इल्लीगल कित्याक अलाव केलें? कोणें टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंट कोणें?
I don't want to comment in the past, but we have already found out that the zone was not notified for water sports.
So illegal जातालें सगळें.
You have to understand what I'm saying. So I think if to help them, that is the way. If I have heard that some people want to participate, two people do not want to participate. It is up to them, but they don't have a choice because the jail counter which is put is a part of the government thing to assist them. आम्ही तातूंत आमच्या सरकाराक काय येना. सरकार is only abiding by the High Court, where queue system has to be followed, for which jail has the operative part, which we are asking them to do. That is all.
पूण तिका पार्किंग सिस्टम आहा तांकां. फाल्यां बोटी आयल्यो जाल्यार फाल्यां तिका हे
प्रश्न आसा नोटिफाईड काउंटर. जे काउंटर थिंग करता is to get these activities which are there. Irregular activities have to stop. And we have very clearly mentioning it in every segment, whether it is water sports or whether it is hawkers or anybody on the things which are illegal. Promulgation करून specially illegal tout जे आसा ताचेर एक्शन घेवपाक स्टार्ट केल्या.
So what about the safety measures? Because a lot of these cruise boats are not having the safety measures.
Again, you are asking tourism. I think safety measures come under captain of ports. Permissions to give that vessel comes under captain of ports. My part is to give permission for the activity under tourism. So when we give activity under tourism, we have been complaining in the past where captain of ports was not able to act. I'm happy that the new captain of ports who has taken over has immediately started acting on the irregularities that are happening, which threaten the life of a tourist who is traveling by overloading a boat or whatever in those terms. And ताका आमी permission दिला काय ना हो एक प्रश्न पडटा.
सो पयलींचो कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्स कोण नासलो?
I think I shared my thoughts. I don't know.